Hi everybody. This is the last lesson for this week. This is lesson 18, money. For this lesson, we will match and count money amounts, and students will practice making purchases. So let's get to our first problem. I know a lot of you have money IEP goals, so this week I'll be calling you one day out this week to go over counting money. We'll review this lesson again. So let's start with our first purchase. This person is Emily. Let's see what Emily's purchasing.
Emily is buying pet supplies for her kitten. How much will it cost? Match the coins. Count the coins.
So, this must be, she's just buying a feather. Most likely she's just buying a feather to play with her kitten. Kittens like feathers, playing with feathers. So she's purchasing a feather, and the feather costs 9 cents. So let's go to our anchor chart. Right here we have pennies. Pennies equal 1 cent. 1 cent. On the front, it has "In God We Trust," Liberty, and it has Abraham Lincoln on the front, and then it has United States of America, and 1 cent on the back. So let's count out our pennies. We have 9 cents. So let's count 9 pennies. It's 1. Make sure you look at our counting calculator at the bottom and tell you if we have the right amount of money. So this 1 for 1 cent is already up there. So let's add another, what coin is this? Penny. Make sure we add another penny. So that makes it 2 cents. I said keep your eye on our calculator. Another penny, so it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. 9.
Penny.
That means we have it right. We have 9 cents in total. When you're talking about change, the number will always be behind the decimal point. When you're talking about dollars, the number will be in front of the decimal point. And cents, this is the sign for cents. This is the sign for dollars. And now they both represent money. So let's go to our next one, see who else is buying supplies for their pets. It's Emily again.
Emily is buying pet supplies for her kitten. How much will it cost? Match the coins. Count the coins.
So once again, this is Emily. She's buying a toy mouse for, I guess it's a wind-up mouse, or like a little squeaky mouse. Those are things like kittens like to play with. For 25 cents. And she's going to use this coin. What is this coin? As we listen to the Hugh Hartman video, what is this coin? Nickels. A nickel equals 5 cents. This is what a nickel looks like. On the nickel, the dime, and the quarter, all the presidents are facing the same direction. And on the penny, the president is facing the opposite direction. You have to learn about it in history while the president is on the penny is facing the opposite direction. That'd be like something to learn about during history. So when counting money, it's good to learn how to count by fives and tens. So when you're counting nickels, you count by fives. So we're supposed to count to 25. So let's start counting by fives. So this is one nickel, which is 5. Don't forget, like I said, look at our money calculator at the bottom. That's 5, 10, 15, good job. 15, 20, 25, 25. So we got it right, 25. Like I said, we're just talking about change. The numbers will be after the decimal point. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 cents. Another way to count 25 cents would be to use what coin? You'll just need one coin to come down to count 25 cents. One coin. Can anybody tell me that one coin is? It's a quarter. It's my quarter. My quarter. Quarter equals 25 cents. You see the decimal point, and you see 25 behind it. 25 cents. Okay. Emily's about to buy the entire pet store. Emily again. Let's see what Emily's buying this time. I need to find out what she's shopping.
Emily is buying pet supplies for her kitten.
She's buying pet supplies for her kitten. So it looks like Emily is buying some Meow Mix. A little small can of cat food. It's like some mushed up meat and
How
vegetables
much will it
that cats
cost?
love to eat.
Count the coins.
So let's go to the next one. It's the same problem. Okay, 70 cents. Like the last problem, I said we count by fives. So on this problem, we're going to count by tens. This is it's a dime. A dime equals 10 cents. So we're going to count by tens. So, like I said, don't forget to look at our money calculator at the bottom. So we're going to just count by tens. Each dime that we add equals 10. How many dimes are we going to add up? Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's like if we would multiply problems for us, it would be 7 times 10. And then you can give me the answer. It'd be the same thing. So let's count. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and last but not least, it's gonna roll 70. So another thing, Tavares, if you was to say 70 divided by 10, which is the cost that represents each dime is 10 cents. 70 divided by 10, that would be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 70 divided by 10 will equal 7. And 10 times 7 will equal 70. See? See what our next problem is. I'm starting to see kitten toys. It must be Emily again. It most definitely is Emily.
Emily is buying pet supplies for her kitten.
So this is kind of like something similar to the feather toy. Something that you dangle on a stick in front of kittens and they kind of like bat at it and it makes noise. This one has like 2 feathers and a bell on it that kittens love to play with. Let's see.
How much will it cost? Match the coins. Count the coins.
So the price is
75 cents.
75 cents. And she has 3, what coin is this? Quarters. Good job, quarters. Quarters equal 25 cents. So when you adding these coins up, you start at 25. That is 1 quarter, 25. And then when you say 25 plus 25, then you get 50. And then you add another 25. So 25, 50, and then we add another 25, it will equal to, it's the last quarter, so it will equal to 75 cents. Let's see. $0.75. I mean, y'all have it lucky because when I was in school, I did not have a program like this, and it was so hard for me to learn how to count money. It took like all of my cousins in high school to sit down with me after school and just pour out all of their change, and then to teach me how to count money. That's how I learned how to count money. I wish like I had a program like this to learn how to count money because it would have been so simple for me. Okay, and that pretty much concludes this lesson, lesson 18. Right now, today is the 29th, so it's still April, and it is still Autism Awareness Month. And I just want to say again, I know I said it last week, but I want to say again, happy Autism Awareness Month. I hope you did something fun and you did something that showed your uniqueness. I love working with you guys. I learn so much from you every day. And I can truly understand the meaning of having autism is having a superpower, because the way you guys do things, the way you learn is so awesome, okay? So I want to make sure I let you know again, say Happy Autism Awareness Month. And if you did something fun, please upload the pictures so I can see them on Class Dojo. You can text them to me or email them to me, but I would love to see those pictures. And next week will also be Mother's Day. So make sure you color your parents, your mother something really nice and pretty, okay? And then also show me the pictures of those, okay? And if you need help with ideas to come up with, or you need me to send you something so you can color for mommy, let me know when I call you, okay? And I'll send you something so you can color for mommy for Mother's Day, okay? I'll see you. Well, I'll talk to you next week. Some of you I'll see you. Some of you I'll talk to you, okay? So I'll see you next week, okay? Goodbye.